Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Delta 1104, Minneapolis ground, push approved, runway 30 left.
Push approved for 30 left, Delta 1104.
Delta 1460, if you're ready to move, runway 30 left, start via Hotel Alpha.
30 left, Hotel Alpha, Delta 1460.
Delta 831.
Go ahead, Delta 831.
No, wasn't you. All right, we just have an extra one pushed here. I'm not sure who it is. I'll figure it out at the end.
And ground Delta 1460. Can you have someone come out here on Alpha to take a look at our wingtip? Ground Delta 1133, taxi with Zulu.
All right, stand by one. Delta 1460, you need somebody to check your wingtip?
Hey, firm, to the left wingtip.
Alpha Golf 4, Delta 1104, can you see it?
Ground Delta 1104.
Delta 1104, can you see the wingtip of that Airbus ahead of you there on Alpha?
Yeah, it looks like damage. We felt it on our aircraft. Ground Delta 1960, taxi in sequence with Zulu.
Stand by. Delta 1460, they said it's bent and they felt it hit as you went by. So, what would you like to do?
Yeah, we're going to coordinate the gate clearance Delta 1460.
Delta 1460, roger. Delta 1104, what are you going to need to do?
We're talking to maintenance now. I'm sure we're going to have to go back to the gate, but we'll get back to you for Delta 1104.